I'm Kavia. Like and subscribe and comment down below what are your favorite videos. Let's start.
No, I can't!
We don't say hello, we kill you, we kidnap you, we cut your head off.
Shut your damn back! Did he make it? Did he make it?
Wait, get past that, wait.
Hello.
Hey,
What is going on?
Those are your eyes. Yes.
Yo, Jacob, come here. Give my hand.
Oh, yo,
My hand back. Get my hand back. Oh, you want to jump in the clouds too? Jump it. That's where you let it go. Oh, I need you. I'm running the people.
Teach me, come on.
No one want to block me.
I got the weapon. Stick them on, man. Nah, come on. Someone already did.
Oh, well,
By me.
no one asked. Hey, Christmas hat. Put your paw up. Christmas hat. Remember me?
Oh my god.
No, I don't remember you. I got it. When the keys are broken. I do not remember. When the keys are broken.
Robot having ass away from me, man.
You probably got the right. Yo, you can't even do nothing. Go.
I'm best coming up.
Boy, I can still get your head.
Nuh-uh.
I can get your tummy. Head.
Go.
Hey, do you want free fish?
I can get your back.
Who wants free fish? You can't see.
Does anyone want to secret base with me?
Oh, look, he.
Hey, man, what are you, man?
Wait.
Not your business. Free fish.
Does anyone want to secret base with me?
You have like all that shit on you.
Oh no.
Are you gonna catch it? You're a robot, man.
You need to cut that. You need to stop. Bro, you need to cut that.
Boss guys, go!
Well, what did I do?
I said that for no reason.
Bacon, nigga, cheese. Whoa, I did not play Nick.
Pretty free.
Nuh-uh.
Pretty free.
You can't prove that. You can't prove that. Nuh-uh. You can't prove that. Nuh-uh. You can't prove that. You can't prove that. Can't prove that.
Let's go!
Oh, you are dead. Let's go. Okay, guys. Can't let us cook.
Let's go!
Yo, bro, I gotta go. What?
I'm not fun.
Yo,
Back to the wall.
What if you were a male? What if you were a female for one day?
Let's go!
Come here.
Yeah, that was interesting. And what bottom kid, you know? Yeah, I'll be like me, mama.
I got a knife. Yay!
Good job.
Let's go,
I'm terrified.
Shoot that kid.
Get a gun and shoot that kid. Get a gun and shoot that kid.
Zombie!
Nah, I'm gonna cut his head off.
Zombie! You're zombie.
¿Qué zombie? ¿Qué?
Zombie. No, no. Zombie.
No, sir.
Shoot him and turn him into cocaine.
Oh, that's a big good idea. I like the way you think.
I'm the king of the cat.
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Oh my God! Super me, Timbers. Oh shit! No!
Really good.
Better back off.
He did.
Let's go.
I think
Negro?
he said a few
Want to build a base with me? Want to
I
build a
did
base
not
with me?
Bro, why did you come
Actually, he did say
Negro. Ay, dos niños es muy negro. Pinche
You can just
panzote
say
de
the
verga.
N-word and disguise it as
Ay,
that.
¿qué onda, negro?
Do you want to a secret base
In
with me?
elementary school, my
I'm
teacher said the
I'm
N-word.
recreating the line.
That's not.
Raise your hand, everyone, build a secret base.
Raise your hand, everyone. Build a secret base with me.
Yeah, no.
The base you're building. Guys, this base is secreter than you guys are
I do
building.
not know what the fuck
Everyone
are you
can
saying.
see your
You gotta
base.
kidnap a kid, and then you gotta take your clothes.
Come back to me when you start speaking shit, man. I don't know what the hell you guys are saying.
Guys,
Bro, you're
about to be
McDonald's.
hey guys. Guys, guys, my base is much secreter than yours.
I'm not gonna lie,
There's
too
like
much
a big white window. People can see
Guys,
your
they're not
building and
gonna
they'll
go
find it and destroy it. So it's not actually a secret base,
¿Qué onda,
okay?
negro? Muy rico.
There's a big white window and it has the door where people can come in. Doesn't even want to build a space. So you have to build a base I'm building, which is, I'm only 100 people
Check this out.
who has explored in multiplayer.
Wouldn't you help?
This is not secret, guys. Guys, this is not secret.
I already know where you are.
Dog, help!
I know where you are.
Help! Dog, help!
I know where you are.
Help me. Someone
I can't help you. Help! You're like invisible. Help! No! One pole left.
Now come back here. Don't run away. Come over here. Come over here. I'm a people. I don't even have to. I'm a cat. Fuck
You gotta choke on the bed.
Follow me to the secret base, which is over there.
Guys, follow me. Turn in the drugs. I mean, turn
Follow
in
me.
the
Also here.
drugs and turn his
Then
head into a
it's-
basketball.
It's going to be down there.
Oh my god.
Okay.
You're geeking.
You win.
Thank you.
Follow me. Follow me. Orange.
Oh, heck no. This kid is living in the 2000s. So
He too young for this.
Bro,
he's not living on the 2000s.
Press Dino. We got swords. Let's go. Come on, guys. Catch up. Good job. You're very good. You're very good.
And get dunked on.
He's a pro. You're a pro.
Dunk on this man. Get dunked on. You're not training right now. Come here. I'm bloodthirst.
He's a really good pro.
Hey, yo.
Good job.
Hey, yo.
Are you okay?
Wait, I can't move. I can't move. I can't move. Okay.
I got to finish the base. Work it. Let's go. You're very good. Pro.
Hey.
I'm off brand.
Matthew's in first place.
What is going on?
He's got
your flag.
You're
a
off
play. The play. Go.
Everything at Walmart's off brand.
The play.
You get your clothes at Walmart? Whoa.
The play glitch.
Have your ass.
Thank you for going.
Me too.
Ching, ching, ching.
When I go up, I want to be Mr. Incredible.
Blast it off brand.
Round thing.
Hey, that's still my style.
I can do it.
I can't carry it in the base.
Nah, don't ignore me. Hey, banana man. Hey, why you steal my style? Hey, man. Hey. Hey, man.
You!
This should block your attack.
No, not that one! No! Oh my...
This should block your attack. Fish
Why
ball.
you following me, man?
Run.
But no more plates! Okay,
Stop kissing me.
that's more than enough.
I'm not kissing you.
You kinda are, man. Take your face off. Hey, man. Why you stealing my style, man? That's my hat. Hey, my hey. Back off.
What if I were to jump this ball from here to there? Do it.
I'm not there.
Thanks.
Yo, I'm making the shot. Make the shot.
Stop kissing me.
My hand is in the ball.
Yeah? I got you.
Come at me. Come at me.
Show me your phone. I'm gonna chuck this. I'm gonna chuck this in. Dang it!
I can't move.
That would have made it if I aimed. That would have made it if I aimed.
You have a goatee.
What's up, buddy?
Okay, who wants to have a goatee? Goatee.
What's this?
Oh, what's it?
Who wants to stop it? Voice is sneaking with knives.
No more plates, okay?
Those are the hot.
That's too many plates. That's too many plates.
It's
No.
easy to dunk.
The round things. I can't get the nine water plated. And I
think it's
I can use a million times. Not one.
Rebound it.
Yeah, I killed it.
Wow, this is so helpful.
No, I want banana.
Alright. This is the fish corner. Fish.
Bro, you're not going to find anything. They're all out.
We got one, two fish. Two fish. One sword.
Get don't.
One sword. One plate.
Did somebody say
One cup.
basketball?
Yeah. Everybody.
One sword.
Did somebody say basketball?
Alright, come down from there.
Get don't. I just soloed the whole team.
In our eyes of now.
Oh my god, bro.
Ah, good job.
Did somebody say basketball?
One plate. I don't need plates. I don't need plates, silly. No, I didn't get it. I don't need plates, silly.
Oh, you almost got it.
The plate has glitched out. I think it glitched through the floor. It glitched through the floor. I'm so sorry. No plates, okay?
Get him.
I don't need any more plates, okay? Go away, doggo.
Jacob.
Hey, you're breaking up. Come at me.
No, we need it. Wait, can I have it? I'm gonna win it.
Oh, yeah.
No, I'm gonna win it for you. I'm gonna win it for
I
you.
need
It's a 2v2.
dumps. There's a
I
red ball.
Do you
It's a
want me to live in there?
Oh, thank you.
Thank
Thank you, doggo.
Jacob, behind you.
Where did this Dracula come from? That's cool.
If someone adopt this whole kitten,
You're the prettiest.
if someone adopt this whole kitten right here,
Doggo.
can someone please?
Doggo. Let's go.
It's a 50.
Give me eye gum.
Guys, I'm gonna jump off.
I can climb it.
Okay. How do it? Yippee!
Howdy. Look.
Yo,
Thank
don't
you.
run this minute. No!
Get back to Jacob. I'm gonna get down there before you.
No!
Boom.
Surprise! Can I twice?
The pop.
Be on my team.
Too many.
And
What?
that man.
Whoa.
I got the pop. Stop it, dude.
Oh my god.
Big, what the fuck?
That can't actually fit. But this can. This can fit.
My weapon just keeps flinging everywhere.
Do you know that this is a two-rower?
I gotta cook real quick.
Someone give... Doggo!
Stuck inside my.
Put that in here, Doggo. Doggo, put it in the thing.
No.
I own vampire. Do you have red claws? I have red claws.
Vampire, fully vampire. This is a secret base. It's a
Doesn't seem
secret
really
base.
organized.
Welcome to our secret
Bro,
base,
it doesn't,
guys.
it's not even
Welcome.
organized.
Get some items.
I'm lying. Jump off. Jump off.
Organized. So organized.
My shoe.
Guys, I'm gonna jump off.
Don't throw it in the
Right
room.
now.
Everything's important. Put it in the pile right here.
Don't just put everything in a pile. Organize things, bro.
Stole a ball. Some monkey stole
No,
it.
no.
No, it's fine in the pile. It's okay if it's in the pile. It is okay.
Come back here.
Hey,
otherwise I
don't
will
throw them
stab
in the
you.
void. We
You
just
guys
got them.
Oh
Nothing.
my god.
The whole game bottom.
Put them in here. What?
No,
0
we don't.
seconds
Let's
ago.
go fight
Just
of a higher
now.
distance.
No. It can't be.
This, I'm going to tell you this.
Oh, damn.
Bro, you can't do
Bro,
nothing with
get
this.
that young lad out of here, bro. He's probably a monkey.
Hey, you're not the boss. There's someone over
I am.
there.
I'm 10.
You can roll.
Guys, tell how
I'm
old you are.
I'm not telling my age.
You can't get in.
A Mexican. A Mexican can definitely fly.
It's fine. It's fine.
I came here before you.
It's fine.
It's the end of the line.
Guys, it's fine
I'm
because
tired.
of age. We're organizing
so?
some things,
Not
okay?
gonna be an
This is going to be the kitchen area, guys. This is going to be
This is
this is
up
going to be
here.
the
It's
water
a high
corner,
school.
water area. If we need water defenses, the kitchen area. So this is a part of the kitchen area. Does it look organized?
No.
No, don't take our sword. We just got in here like seconds ago.
Where's the basketball?
I don't know. Probably.
Bro,
Probably.
he jumped off with it.
Yes, I got it. This is actually, no, please stop. Please, do not do
Guys, I know
this.
where the basketball
This
is.
is a base, please.
It's in my
This
heart.
is a base.
That's where the
This is
basketball
a base.
is. My heart.
It's
Yeah.
a base. This
Where
is
are
a
you?
base.
Nah, bro. Who's yapping right now?
It's a
Who's
big
yapping to the fullest?
We are
Me.
already organized.
It ain't
Guys,
you. He's
this
still
is a
talking.
base. My base. I
Where's
found it
that
here
7-year-old
first.
at? Where's that 7-year-old at?
You're super dumb.
That's crazy.
I meant the
He's super
4-year-old.
dumb,
I meant
right?
the 4-year-old that's yelling down there.
Yeah, right here. I'm 4.
Yo, bro, you don't look like
Get
a
out
cat.
now.
I'm be completely
Dummy
honest. You
cat.
don't look like
You're
a
the
cat.
dumbest cat. You're so dumb. You're ugly.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna mute you. I'm gonna mute you. I'm gonna mute
Alright,
you
bro, give me that
actually.
basketball, bro.
Turn
Give me
your
that basketball, you
speaker
monkey.
nasty mouth. You're nasty.
Womp
Be
womp.
nasty.
Whoa, whoa.
Alright, bet. I got the AK.
You're
I got
ugly.
the AK.
Alright, then.
Get out of my base.
I'm alive.
This is my
Everyone's
base.
allowed in here.
I got in here. I
Guys,
just got
you
in
bet.
here.
I
I
got an
destroyed
AK. I got an AK.
multiplayer.
You go.
I
AK.
destroyed
I got an
multiplayer.
AK.
Hey, yo, chill.
And you, I'm about to
Nah,
turn
bro, I gotta
9.
reload it real quick.
I'm about to turn
Bro, I'm about to turn 9 years
I'm
old too.
literally
about
10
to
years
turn
old.
7.
And you sound way younger than
But
me.
you're just now turning 10?
No, I'm literally 10 years old. Right here. Me, right here. I'm 10 years old. And bro,
well, you
that
I need,
dude
this
sounds
is a
way too
secret
young to
base.
me.
Wait, who's just turning
Yeah.
10 years old?
It's a secret
Yo,
base.
bro,
I'm
this
the
is my
youngest
AK.
one. No one's younger than me.
You said you were
No
about
one's
to turn
younger than
9.
me.
I'm about to turn
How
9
old are you?
too. So you're lying.
I'm 11.
Well,
I'm 10.
I'm in charge.
No, you're not.
Wait,
Everyone's in a chart.
I think I found something secret.
It's not like you're the captain or the curator of
But
this game.
no,
Yo, bro, I
whoever
got
made
an AK right
iPad
now. I got an
is
AK
in
right now.
charge. I think iPad was made in
I see a secret place. I
1999.
see somewhere
It was made in
secret.
2025, 2024.
Okay, I'm gonna go to it. Let's get out this trashy base.
Let's get out of this trashy base.
Let's get out of here.
How do you go to that?
Secret.
Well, obviously it's
No,
not.
that's not secret
Obviously
anymore.
it's not a secret base. Dude, I found somewhere secret. I found somewhere secret.
Oh wait, we got caught. We got something glitching through the floor.
Yo, bro, what do you think my age?
No one's
Bro,
allowed.
everyone's allowed in here. You're not the boss.
No,
Bro, take my AK.
Dude, I found a secret place.
You're the boss.
go. Lead me to the secret or base.
Bro, this place is not secret anymore.
Oh, sorry.
No. Okay, I'm ready. I was just like that. Everyone knows about this. It was in the picture.
I know a secret, but you're right.
Bro, anyone?
Since you took
It's in the picture.
away. Guys, let's go to new base. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
I know
Let's
a
go.
secret place. I know a better secret place.
Bro, what is happening?
Come on, let's go.
I know a better
let's
What
leave.
is happening? I'm going down
Got my
there.
AK.
I'm going down. There's no more secret than this.
That's not an AK. That's an AK-47.
Hold on, let me get up here.
Guys, I just want to find the new secret
There's nowhere
base.
secret. Oh, this is where the secret is.
Testing.
But
I'm
we're
telling
somewhere-
everybody
we're
now.
somewhere base. I'm far.
Yeah.
Come on, let's build another base.
I gotta
Okay.
reload real quick.
Okay.
I only got 5%.
Follow me. Follow me to the new secret base. You guys, we have to jump in.
No.
We'll have to meet at the lobby, okay? So go, come on, let's go to the lobby. Let's
Glock?
get to the lobby.
Yeah, bro, take my
So
Glock.
guys, follow me. Follow me.
I got my
We're
AK.
definitely not going back down.
I'm in.
Uh-huh.
Jump. We have to jump. If you're good at, if you have been here before, if you have been up there before, you must know.
I also got a knife on the end. A bayonet.
How did I? How did
Keep on moving.
What?
No time to stop. Don't stop. I have been up here. I've been up there.
I'm jumping, dude.
You have to do the biggest jump you ever done. I'm coming. Wait for me. This is going to be a secret base. Fish?
No. So, this game.
Guys, I found this base. Hey guys, I found this base here. Do you see? Look.
Everyone knows
I guess-
about this.
I guess not.
No, it's fine. If it's not secret, not wherever base we're in, wherever base we're in. Oh, look at that thingy! Look at that. If you look straight at it, you'll see a moonland. You'll see a moonland. Just look at it, guys. Look inside that thing. Does it look cool? Is it cool?
You come right here.
It's cool. It's a
then
part of
jump
this
to here.
multiplayer update, but Ben's gonna go. Ben's gonna be everything.
They need an upgrade where we can go to these other ships.
Hey, this is a base, madam.
Oh, he's not. I met him.
This is a base, madam.
Cap. This is a place for all little players to play.
Easy, girl.
Even up to
Anyway,
you're not the boss.
I throw them in the void.
Okay, bye. I'm going to another.
Go away, like ugly.
I'm not ugly. I'm innocent. I'm not ugly. I'm innocent.
Figure out where that goes to, so then you can.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I'm supposed to be innocent.
Silly.
I'm supposed to look innocent.
You're not.
Yes, I am.
innocent.
Yes,
You're
I
not
am.
innocent. You're. Get in the
Where's
jail.
jail?
All the way in the all the way up there. The highest place in multiplayer is
Okay, I'll
jail.
go there. I'll go to jail.
All the way.
I think I made it.
I
did it. I made
go
it.
there.
Nice.
Ha ha. Stinky. Come on, follow.
You're stinky. You're stinky. I'm not stinky.
Yes, you are a stinky cat.
I wash my hands all day
That's not
long.
your prison.
After everything
Stinky.
every little thing I do.
And you stay there for 10 years. You stay there until I say you can come out.
Hey, we're Team Bull.
And wear
We're
prison
Team Bull
clothes.
right now.
And you can do it, and you're not allowed to escape when I tell you to.
You want me to go there?
You're not allowed to have fun. Don't have fun in there. It's a prison.
Someone's telling me to
Where
jump. Try to jump over there.
No, it's too your stinky state.
I'm not ugly and I'm not stinky.
Think you're ugly. Yes, you are. Step only
How
over
is
there.
this vampire?
You'll make it. All the way over there.
Yeah. How are you not dying of the sun that's somewhere in the freaking sky? Where is the sun?
Oh, I'm a cat. Cats do not die by
You're a vampire.
sun. I can only survive for 10 hours.
You're a vampire.
So after 10 hours, I'll die.
Okay, have fun.
So stay here in 5 minutes. And in 5 hours, call him a stinky ugly cat. That's your
No, my name is Innocent Cat.
Look. Oh, yeah, like ugly.
No, it's my banana hair.
But not.
Don't mind my username. My username
hate it.
is not important.
It looks ugly.
My username is now Innocent Cat.
No, Lalabelle Mac. That's an
It's
ugly
my
name.
mom's name. Don't be mean to my mom.
I am here. You push him on. Make him make him leave.
I will never leave the game.
Yes, I guess your headset will die.
I can still charge it. I think it's fully charged. I think.
But if you stay under for 10
Let me go
hours,
check.
so honestly, you leave the game.
Wrong thing.
Ugly cat, and your name tag's ugly. Your name tag's ugly.
My battery's at 71%. Yours is probably at 30.
But you're still ugly.
What is
You're
your
still
percent?
ugly. My 40, 50, 100.
How's it 110? Is it 50? Are you sure?
No.
Mommy. You're speaking high.
Don't check my VR. Don't check my VR.
How do I even check your VR? I'm not.
You don't even know where my house
Yeah,
is.
I know where
you
it
don't
is.
know where my house is.
It's right directly in front of me.
Wait, you know what? Wait, you know my house number?
Hold on, let me move my mic.
He lives across from me. He's serious. Is he serious? He's in my neighborhood. He lives like right next to 1, 2, 3, 4 Foster Drive, Marietta, Georgia. I live in the United States, then Georgia, Michigan. You live across from me. My number
The house across from.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Can I tell you something?
Marietta,
Your
Georgia.
body.
And just a minute.
Can I tell you something? Your body is your house, and right now, from across of me, there's nothing, so you don't exist. Now, goodbye.
Yeah, stupid cat. He's stupid. No, Fred! Guys,
I'm back.
come on, ugly.
No, I am not moving.
Ugly cat. But why? You're across
No,
from
I'm
my
not.
house.
I was just kidding.
Then then
Not allowed
where
to
do
tell
you
that.
live?
Because if I do, my parents will kill me.
Wait, I'm talking about the banana peel.
Not allowed to tell that.
Him.
No, I can't tell
you-
you. No, my parents will here. They're literally in the same room. My mom's in the kitchen, and my dad's in the living room. So if I tell you, I'll probably get killed. drinking, Dom?
or you'll see what happens.
Dom, what are you drinking?
Yeah, you'll have to actually throw you. I'm gonna.
No, I'm not. Because if I do, you'll find my house and you'll literally kill me instead.
That won't find Dad. I won't
No.
find it.
No!
From here.
Why are we team blue? We should be team red.
Just tell me
I
it's
like
on the
team
map.
red. Team red. No!
Here, distract him.
Come here. I need a whisper. I need a whisper. I
I'm
need a
gonna pick
whisper.
you off the void.
Get up. I have to get real close. I think you'll... This is not cringy, okay? Cat, move. Move, cat. Get. Did you hear me? Oh, well, you're now cringed. Yeah, ooh, woo. Oh, wow! Are you...
I'm telling. Guess what? You wanna know where my house is?
no. Unless you really want to tell.
But I'm allowed to tell.
You can tell.
I really want to tell, but my
Is your mom in the
doesn't
room?
let me tell. You'll instantly find my house and kill me, right?
Nah,
I have to whisper.
I'm innocent right now.
No, my parents.
My Roblox account user.
Is one.
Why are you telling me that? That's useless information. I broke my paws now.
I really wanted to tell you.
Are you
I
sure
wanted
that's
to
your
tell
real house number?
Yes, I am certain. When I was born, I was actually, after when I've been in the hospital for a few days, I come into this house, then one day, I know the name of the
I know exactly where I live.
so I'm certain.
Every single little detail. But I'm not telling
No.
because my mom would kill me.
Do you know where everyone, do you know where
No.
I live now?
Because I am not a hacker. I'm innocent. Just like my little claws.
But,
Because they're...
let me see, can I see?
Goodbye. Yeah. You should go down there. We can have a snowball
Come
fight
back
down
up. Friend.
there. Snowball fight. I'll come
You're
in
my
a second.
friend. You're my I'm
down,
Cat
sit
friend now. Actually,
Yes.
my I'm Cat multiplayer.
Hey.
Hey, Jordan. Yeah, I'm coming. Can I see your can I see your
What?
claws? Your claws and I'm Cat.
It's my calls.
What are
My
they?
golden, innocent claws.
What are they? What color are
Gold.
they? Hey, no, let's go. I like red claws.
Are you going to eat me?
Do you have the vampire claws?
Are you going to eat me? Are you going to
You
eat
do?
me?
Yes, you. Do you have the vampire
No,
cat
I'm
like
broke.
me? Do you have the pirate?
Hey, at least I could get money.
The pirate
No, I
one?
do not have the pirate one. I do not have any of them.
Then.
I guess I'm
then
brokey.
I guess.
Would you say, here, I'll tell you how much money I have. I have like $60. Would you say I'm broke?
No.
Yes, I am. Your mom, can I tell you? Can I tell you something? $60 is broke. And also, your mom probably has way more than that. She probably has like 1,000.
No. She has $0. My dad actually has like $39.
39? Wow.
Yeah. I like have 10.
I see
I
those
like-
raging.
10,099.
You're-
At 10,099.
Your eye color means how you're raging right now. Yours is red. Mine's blue. That means I'm not raging. That means I'm just sad. Sad that I have no friends.
You're sad. I feel bad. What can I do to make you feel
Nothing. I'll stay
Oh.
sad forever because I have childhood trauma. Now, I think I should jump off this edge because I like jumping.
If you guys, if one of you falls in the void, I'm leaving the game for 10 hours. But it doesn't count about that cat. Have you actually found the void?
Nah, I think I like watching you burn. Burn in the sun. Wait, where is the sun? I think the sun doesn't exist.
Good
I think we're living in a temporary world. Wow. Hey, Bobbert Telvies. Bobbert Telvies.
Guys,
Hey, Bobbert Telvies.
Guys, let's see. Whoever makes
Can you jump off the ledge for me?
Guys!
I'll leave the game if you jump off the ledge.
Woo! I win, guys! I win! I win! Ah, stupid.
Yeah, I think he's stupid.
Right?
Well, not really stupid. I just think he's a little dumb.
Tell him to leave when he comes back. Come on, go in the hot tub.
Okay, I can't. I don't really think.
I'm flying. I'm flying.
Oh, it's on.
Quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Hot.
Mute your...
Why?
Be quiet. Get out
Yeah,
here.
get out. You're not a part of this team.
Get out here, purple.
I think he wants me to leave.
I'll talk
I think he
to
wants
him,
me to
not
leave
you.
because I told him if he wants me to leave, I said he should jump off the edge, and now he's jumping off the ledge every time he sees me. I think.
But I don't want you to leave. I like you.
Can you jump off the ledge and
He joined the
get
game.
off this game? You're annoying us. And why don't you have a mic?
You're
I
annoying
hate
us.
meeting with
Now
people.
get out. I hate you. Ugly.
Nah, he's
You're
just
ugly.
He's just
You're
broke.
stinky. You're broke. You're broke. Go leave the game now. I don't like it. You're annoying us. Yeah, leave the game, sucker. Leave the game, sucker. He's a sucker, right?
Maybe.
I'm gonna go check
Okay,
on
I
him.
guess
You
I'll stay here.
I'm
I
gonna
don't
go
think
check-
I want to touch the water.
Yes, I'll be back in a sec. I'll be back. Hey! Leave the game! Go away, stupid. You're a stupid cat. You know that? You're a stupid cat. I'm keeping... Just leave the game, dude. Just leave the game already. You leave the game. Leave the game. He's annoying me so much.
What did you do?
Please leave the game. Tell
did
him
you do
leave
to
the
him?
game. Tell him to leave the game. Say to him, leave the game.
Okay. Oh.
I'll talk to you on the... Hasn't returned yet. He
I think
hasn't
you-
returned.
Oh, there you are. Hey.
Go away. Go away, baby.
There you go, did it.
Hey, no, get back up here.
Hey, do you have a
Fred! No!
Do you have a mic?
Please get back to me.
Do you have a mic?
Get back to me. So get back to Dr. Fast Guy. No. Where's he? Where's him?
He should
Where's
respond real
him?
soon. Or, I think. Why is he not responding? Did he leave? Wait a minute.
I'm so glad you're back.
Hey,
I'm so glad.
Hey,
I'm so glad.
me,
I lost
you,
you forever.
and 2 other people, slash that guy. Hey, demon.
Guys, can I
Demon.
mute you all guys
Hey,
for a
demon
second?
guy.
I'm not
Well, I
demon.
don't know what to call you.
I'd be nice to
Can you
Ginger.
give me like something to call you now? Not a name, just like, yes.
Me? My name. Just read my name tag and you'll figure out it.
Okay, your name's Sonic.
Read it. I'm Sonic the Fast Guy. So call me that.
Sonic the
That's the
Fast
name.
Guy, okay. Hey, Sonic the Fast